Before alligators eat, they go through a strange dance-like ritual. It's called a feeding response.
It's a search movement. I think that they are stimulated to initiate this general sweeping of the head back and forth, and that, as you saw, when they actually contact food, then they'll recognize it as such and ingest it on the spot.
Dr. Paul Weldon believes the response is the result of a chemical sensory device that tells the gator what's food and what's not. Weldon has been able to elicit this same response by a liquid he's derived from meat. There's no meat present, but the gators do the dance anyway.
Well, it tells us that they're capable of long-distance chemoreception, that they use waterborne cues to find food, and which is something that people had suspected all along anyway.
During his research in the field, Weldon has even found license plates in the bellies of gators. The reptiles have poor eyesight. Weldon says they'll eat anything in their tanks if he adds food or the extract. From here, he wants to identify the particular chemicals that elicit the feeding response. So far, no one's been able to do it.
So by identifying the chemicals that do so for alligators, might provide some clue for the types of chemical releasers that are used by other species.
There are a lot of questions that remain. Weldon suggests that what the gators won't eat will tell him just as much about their chemical cues as what they will eat. Rick Davenport reporting.